Hey Steve with KnowHow here. I wanted to do a quick video on replacing this intake air temperature sensor. Doing this video because I didn't see anything online with it with this particular truck. So when I want to take it off, I'm going to go ahead and take off your throttle body cover, because you're going to have to get a pick in there. It's really hard to get through. If you can do it without taking this off, that's fine, but this takes all of 3 minutes to take off. Okay, so come on in here and let's take a look at this. Okay, so here's your intake air temperature sensor right here. It removes in a clockwise fashion and then installs counterclockwise, you know, lefty loosey, righty tighty. But there is a little tab right here, and this one is actually colored. You have to lift that tab up to go over the lip of this plastic right here. Otherwise, you're going to snap this whole thing off and possibly break it. So let's go ahead and do that. So replace this, and then I just have a paint can lid remover, and I'm gonna, can you see it from there? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm just going to get this underneath there and then lift it up and pull it over that little tab, and as you can see here, you can take it right out. Okay, the install is just in the opposite way. You put it in, you just follow the grooves in to the grooves inside the cover, put it in until it seats flush, and then twist it clockwise until it snaps. It's like less than a quarter turn until it snaps into place. Alrighty, so bring it on up here. Steve with KnowHow. Here's how to do it yourself, saving some money and doing it right.